How to make a homemade fly trap. I've been bothered here recently by some pesky flies. Not too many, but a few. So I've made myself here a little fly trap. What I did was I took a Pepsi bottle and I took and cut the top off of it. You can see the top right there. You can use a water bottle or Coca-Cola bottle or whatever. These plastic bottles. And what I put in there was I put um, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then I put some syrup, some pancake syrup in there, and then I put some water in there, about a tablespoon, I reckon, of brown sugar, a tablespoon of syrup, and then I put some water in there, filled it up about halfway. You can see, filled it up about halfway, and stirred it up real good. Now all I got to do is take the top, turn it upside down, and drop it in there like that. Fits really good. So it should work good. I'm going to make another video here in a couple of days and talk to you about how this works. Hopefully at that time we'll have some flies in there. What you need is a razor blade. I got this little thing here. It's a little like razor blade cutter for paper and stuff like that I use. And then I got a knife over here that I used, and a pair of scissors. You don't really need all three of these. You can probably do it all with a knife or all with that razor blade. I just use all three of those. But anyway, that should work really, really good. Hopefully it does. Like I say, I've been pestered by these flies. And what you can do, you can make one of these and put it in one room, and then you make another one, put it in another room, make one, set it in the kitchen by the kitchen table or somewhere in the kitchen, because flies generally a lot of times they'll get in the kitchen because of the smell of food and so forth. So you can make 2 or 3 of these things and have them set around your house, and they'll last for weeks, and you don't have to replace them, possibly even a month or so. But then after that period of time, after you get a bunch of flies in there, you need to go ahead and make you another one and replace it. But anyway, I'm going to set this out, see how it works, and I'm going to take another video here in a couple of days and let you folks know how this thing worked, because I don't have many flies, but I got a few flies in there that are bothering the heck out of me. So hopefully I'm going to get this thing to work and get rid of those flies. Anyway, thanks a lot. You folks have a nice day. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more how-to videos and on a lot of different subjects. And I do some commentaries also, plus post a lot of other stuff also. So please subscribe, and when I post new videos, you'll get notified. Thanks. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.